Be sure to complete manufacturer's checklist before concrete pouring. This checklist is available on our polycrete.com website in Big Block Installation Manual section. Concrete formula should be 25 MPa combined with 14 mm aggregates and super plasticizer to reach desired slump from 6 to 8 inches. Concrete pump must have a 90-degree flow valve with 3-inch reducer for easy pouring. The concrete can be vibrated if required. Once concrete is poured, proceed with wall's final alignment. It is important to clean the base and walls from all concrete residues to ensure optimal adhesion of the waterproof membrane. Scaffolding equipment dismantling can be made 24 hours after concrete pouring. Located horizontally at the top of the adhesive membrane, another membrane overlaps the adhesive waterproof membrane by half his size in order to ensure a connection with the different exterior finishes.